Hey guys, here I am again. James with Go RV. We're changing it up today. We're going to show you a Class C. I know I've posted nothing but Class A's, but I'm going to change it up today because I got a lot of these Class C's that are beautiful, low mileage, great prices. And we're going to do this one today. And this is a 2016, pretty much right out of the wrapper, Coachmen Freelander 21 RS. It's a smaller unit, but you're going to love it. It's good for all you first timers who want to get RVing. And we're gonna do a walk around, and then we'll do the inside. But please come see us, 2453 East Main Street, Mesa, Arizona, 85213. Come see James. Look us up, coacmensrv.com, to view all our inventory. We're gonna get you going down the road in our beautiful selection of motorhomes. And keep in mind, we do rentals. So if you don't want to buy, and you do want to rent to test it out, do that too. And you can do that by going to gowiththegorv.com or call us up, 480-459-5059. I'm going to take you around this coach, back ladder. You got your bike rack. We're going to take you around here, one slide. You do get a slide on this Class C here. It's 21 RS model, Ford E350 Super Duty. Great, still has a lot of tread on the tire. Get a close-up of that. Got a lot of tread still left, folks. You're gonna like this. We're gonna go inside now. Easy access. You got your dinette here, your dinette table. You got your cabin here with your navigation, overhead bunking system, and you do got a mount for the TV, which is right here, folks. You're gonna get your stove, 3-burner, your microwave. You're gonna get your dual sink, and then you do got your kill switch control panel system right here. Tanking, check the levels of your black, fresh, and gray. Your Dometic fridge, freezer, fridge. Got your bed out here on your slide. Folks, you're going to want to come visit us because we got some of the best prices for the units that we have. Super clean, low mileage, right out of the wrapper. Like I said, you're going to want to come visit us. 2453 East Main Street, Mesa, Arizona, 85213. Go RV. Come see me, James. Folks, thank you again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. I will be posting them daily if I can on all the new inventory we have in. coacmensrv.com, 480-459-5059. Come see us. You're not going to be disappointed. And like I said, folks, if you don't want to buy them right now and you just want to rent them, take them out for the weekend. We're competitive, best prices in town for rentals. Come see us. Thanks again.